everyone, so today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite books. The title is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. The genre is children fantasy novel, but I think it's suitable for all ages. So as you can see from the title, it's a story about Charlie and a chocolate factory. Charlie comes from a poor family. He lives with his family in a small wooden house. One day, Mr. Willy Wonka announced that 5 lucky children with golden ticket can enter his factory for one day. So Charlie comes from a poor family. He knows he can't afford to buy the chocolate bar. So how do you think he managed to get his hands on the golden ticket? So you have to read this book to find out more. So what I like about this book is one of the chapter. The chapter is the chocolate room. Okay. I like it because it enhances my imaginations. Okay, how can you imagine a room that has river and waterfalls made out of hot chocolate? The tree, the grass, everything inside is basically you can eat it. Okay, it's edible. Okay, so how can such a room exist? So that's what I like about this book. It enhances my imagination by reading the book. Okay, so my favorite dialogue from this book is the last part where Charlie was talking to his grandmother, and his grandmother asking him whether there will be food inside the factory. So Charlie already been there. He's seen everything inside their factory. He knows everything inside the factory. So his dialogue is, he said, just wait and see, with a smile on his face. So I think that's my favorite dialogue ever. Okay, to the author, if you are still alive until today, I just want to say thank you so much for bringing this novel out. Okay, you did a good and a brilliant job. Okay, it not just enhanced my imagination, but it also helps with my vocabulary. Okay, one of the vocabulary that I really like, okay, when Mr. Willy Wonka asking everyone to have a taste of his chocolate room, and he said, please do, it's delectable. That word, I like that word. Okay, I think that's all for my book sharing. So thank you so much. Goodbye.